Okay, so here we're going to look at the difference between the third generation Camaro Firebird rear trunk or hatch pull-down motor assemblies. There's two basic designs. The first, 1984 through 1991 and a half, roughly. And then this was the later half of 1991 and 1992. There was also a couple of small variations in this particular version as well. Had to do with the power input and a couple of very other minor things, but these are completely interchangeable. You could take an 86 and put it on an 87 all the way up to 91 and a half. But once you got to 91 and a half, these are not interchangeable with these. And the easiest way to determine the difference is each of these has 3 mounting points. The older one here, here, and here. And the newer one's similar. It's got 3 mounting points. But the easiest way to tell which one you have is to go to your car and look at where this is going to mount on the car. And the upper bolt holes for the older version are about 10 inches apart. The upper bolt holes for the newer version are about 6 inches apart, left to right. So also the lead-in wire is going to be different, but it's just easier to look at these upper bolt holes. If they're 6 inches apart, you have the plastic body version. If they're 10 inches, you have the older 2-piece all metal body version. These are supposed to be better, actually, even though they're plastic. Yeah, I'm not real sure. Don't have a lot of experience owning a car with one of these on it. But if you treat them right, both of them are just fine. But there you go. That's how you tell the difference.